This video is about fighter jets from different countries. HAL Tejas from India. Eurofighter Typhoon from Europe. Sukhoi Su-57 from Russia. Diamond u.s.a. from Austria. Alpha Jet from Germany. Northrop YF-23 from the United States. IAR-99 from Romania. Mitsubishi F2 from Japan. JF-17 Thunder from Pakistan. EMB-314 from Brazil. Saab Jazz 39 Gripen from Sweden. Eurofighter Typhoon from the United Kingdom. KF-21 Boromai from South Korea. F-22 Raptor from the United States. Atlas Cheetah from South Africa. PZL-MIELECLIM-6 from Poland. Valmet L-70 Vinca from Finland. CF-105 Aero from Canada. Alenia AM-346 from Italy. BAE Systems, Hawk from the United Kingdom. IAI KFIR from Israel. Chengdu J-20 from China. FCK-1 Qingkuo from Taiwan. Aero L-159, Alka from the Czech Republic. TFX from Turkey. Helwin Hay 300 from Egypt. Dassault Rafale from France. Mikoyan MiG-29 from Russia. Shenyang FC-31 from China. Dassault Rafale from France. F-14 Tomcat from the United States. F-16 Fighting Falcon from the United States. F-4 Phantom II from the United States. F-35 Lightning II from the United States. B-2 Spirit from the United States. Tupolev Tu-160 from Russia. Pilatus PC-21 from Switzerland. MQ-29, a ghost bat from Australia. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Elite Data for more information.